welcome you to our YouTube channel PNJ Legal. We are 12-year-old law firm. On this YouTube channel, we are bringing lot of the complex legal topics to you. We are also presenting lot of business opportunities for the entrepreneurs to get ventured into.
Company registration process in India. Authority and law which govern company is Ministry of Corporate Affairs, Government of India. Companies Act 2013. Companies Act 2013 passed by the Parliament has received the assent of the President of India on August 29, 2013. The Act consolidates the amends the law relating to the companies. The Companies Act 2013 has been notified in the Official Gazette on August 30, 2013. Some of the provision of the Act has been implemented by a notification published on September 12, 2013. List of documents required for company registration in India. Original copy of formal letter issued by ROC regarding availability of company name, DIN of all those director of the proposed company, DSC digital signature certificate, Form 1 for incorporation of a company, Form 18 for situation or address of the proposed company, Form 32 for particular of proposed directors, managers and secretary. Process of company registration in India. Acquire digital signature certificate DSC, acquire director identification number DIN, create an account on MCA portal, incorporate or apply for the company to be registered. Step 1. Acquire digital signature certificate DSC. You must obtain the digital signature certificates from government recognized certifying agencies which can be accessed on the following link. Step 2. Acquire director identification number DIN. Apply for a DIN checklist. PAN for Indian director, passport foreign national, address proof, director's mobile, director's email ID. Step 3. Create an account on MCA portal. Registration shall be done on the following link: www.mca.gov.in. Step 4. Incorporate or apply for the company to be registered. Conclusion. New process of company registration has achieved significant compliances, reducing by depreciating various forms of the name approval, DIN application and incorporation application by improving ease of using SPICE form and RUN form. Previously, the drawback of using SPICE form was that professionals were unable to obtain prior name approval and were forced to redo all the documentation upon rejection of the choice name by the MCA. But now, a web-based form for name approval called RUN is introduced, which have simplified as well as removed all the cons of using SPICE form. Therefore, company registration was never easy ever before. But with the advent of these modifications, the coming year will be full of startups, that too in the form of companies and not in any other business organization's phase. Thank you.